Welcome to this section in Learning ElasticSearch 6 entitled Elastic Stack. In this section, we start by walking through an introduction to the Elastic Stack. We then go through each technology which combines to form the Elastic Stack. More specifically, Kibana, which is used for data visualization, machine learning, and ElasticSearch administration. Logstash, which is used for log analysis. XPack, and XPack combines everything together while providing a security layer. And finally, we look at the lightweight data shipper known as Beats. Introduction to Elastic Stack. What is the Elastic Stack? The Elastic Stack combines solutions built around ElasticSearch that facilitate everything from data search, ingestion, analysis, visualization, all the way over to cluster security. Why would you want to use Elastic Stack? Well, first and foremost, much like ElasticSearch, Elastic Stack is very easy to get up and running. It's 100% compatible with ElasticSearch, which makes developers' lives much easier. The Elastic Stack keeps all versions of ElasticSearch aligned so that updates on all parts, for example, Kibana and Logstash, etc., are released at the same time with the same version release number. From a developer's perspective, this keeps things clean. And stating the obvious here, but Elastic Stack creates a more refined and streamlined experience for developers. And that concludes this video.